Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and this is the August Crafty Goals. I'll show you what I completed in August and what I want to complete in September. This month is filled with holes and hauls and an announcement. I have a couple of things going on. So first of all, I'm going to go over what I had planned to do for August. I guess out of my list of things, I did finish my the birthday collection project from Country Craft Creations as a design team project. And I did organize a Halloween hop, and I'll tell you a little bit about that. I also finished my guest designer videos that I was planning on doing. So that's really what I did for August. Well, let me show you a couple of things. Speaking of holes, I went down a rabbit hole on digital collections. These two books were from Kara Brandon Creations' Haunted Halloween collection. They're different. The books are different. This one's done with their orange paper. This is done with the purple. I guess the basics are the same. After I did that, I made a couple of just little journals using the same collection. You can see there is a teal collection, an orange, and a purple collection. And I just made just little traveler notebooks. Sort of got a folder, and then we have some paper so you can write on. It's just a fun little thing. So you can look back at my videos if you're interested in that. And then besides Kara Brandon, I also got some digital collections from Pixie Dust Files and made 4 or 5 projects using that. Again, look back on my videos and see these two items. These are tag books, so they've got tags in them. So they could be, sort of a lap book. You just leave them on your table, or you could actually put photos and journal in them, which is what I would do. Although I think these will be in my Etsy shop very soon. They're not in right now. I do have a sale going on in my Etsy shop for all of my Halloween stuff. So these have not been put in yet, but they will be. So that is the hole I went down. It was a rabbit hole of digitals. They are fabulous. I mean, look at these digitals. Sort of the same. This was called Pastelween. Pastelween? Yes. And then this was just more of a traditional orange and black digital collection. Lots of fun. Let's talk about the haul. So you may know I live and travel in my RV, and I'm not always able to get mail. So when I can, I sort of make up for it. And I went crazy with these Graphic 45 collections that just came out. I loved them. I thought these were really pretty. So I picked up the Autumn Greetings collection. I got the 8x8. I got the 12x12. And I got the 12x12 patterns and solids. I also picked up the ephemera and the chipboard tags and frames. I'm going to make a wonderful project. I'm going to take my time doing this. So I'm not sure when it's going to be done, but this is what I'm going to be working on next. I also, among things, I also picked up the Christmas collection because I won't be in a place to get mail probably for another month. So I wanted to make sure I stayed busy. So this is Merry and Bright. I love the colors of this Graphic 45 collection. I picked up an extra sheet because I figured I can make cards out of that. So again, I picked up the 12x12, the patterns and solids, the 8x8 collection, the ephemera, and the chipboard tags and frames. What I might do is do one tutorial and use both papers for the tutorial. Thinking that's probably what I'm going to do. And then the other exciting thing is I'm going to be in a Halloween collab. And I forgot, but I did order some paper for their Halloween collab. I picked up this Paige Evans Tricks and Treats paper. It just was a little different, a little out of the ordinary. So let me show you this. Isn't that pretty? I mean, I love the fact that we have the pink and then you've got this color for Halloween. I'm not nuts about that one, but I really like this side. I liked this. Isn't this crazy though? That to me, is that really a Halloween? But that'll make a nice background. And that's black and white. That'll grow great with Halloween. And that nice tone on tone, couple of layers. All these tags I thought would be fabulous. I might make another sort of tag book because that was a lot of fun to do. Or I might have tags in part of my project. I'm not sure. Let me show you all this paper and then I'll tell you about the announcement. So there is that. This is still available, plus more. There were some things that weren't available when I ordered this. I think it was some of the ephemera. And I thought, all right, well, maybe I'll pick it up somewhere. And then I decided, you know what? I'll do without the ephemera. I can do some projects without it. I love this checkerboard. I think this is fun. Tone on tone orange with cats and ghosts and bugs and things. A nice pattern. I got two of those because I like the ghosties. Oh, and then just chipboard to keep it straight. So that is what I will be working on for my Halloween collab. So it's called the Trick or Treat Treasure Team collab. Didn't want anything too creepy because it's more going to be a fun thing. We're going to start in a couple of weeks, and every week we will have a different theme, different prompts, or different project to make. And we're going to have some great people as part of this collab. So you will see that coming up. Don't forget, if you were to like and subscribe to me and hit the bell for notifications, you'll know when those projects come up. I also will show you a couple other things on the haul that I got. Waffle flower postage stamp and a layered die set. That'll be fun. And then this Christmas rose paper. I don't know who that's from. I just got this way. Haven't even opened it up. There we go. Isn't that pretty? This was the free gift. Sometimes scrapbook.com has a free gift. I don't think this is the one that is available, but I have some 6x6 paper pad mini album tutorials, and I'm going to just take this, isn't that beautiful, and make a mini album using this paper. Really pretty images. Love the snowman. This obviously would make a nice Christmas card as well. So I also got that. So that is my haul. That is my haul, and that was my announcement. So what I'll be doing for September is getting things ready for the collab, and I also will be working on the fall collections that I got from scrapbook.com. There's links in the description box if you want to go check it out. They still have everything in stock. So now is the time to get it. And if you follow me, you know you probably like my mini albums. So hurry up and get it, and then we can craft together. So thanks so much for watching. Check out all of the other people who are in this collab, see what they're planning on doing for September, and have a fabulous day. Thanks for watching.